Hello, this is Matt from Roundstone Van Centre. Today we look at the 2017 Fiat Ducato fridge van. This van is a long wheelbase van available for £14,495 or £74 per week on finance. This van has a full service history, a colour sat nav, Euro 6, twin compartment, Bluetooth radio, comes with a spare key, has not been used for fish, a rear parking sensor, has electric mirrors and electric windows, and also has a rear step. So let's take a look at the front. As you can see up front, 3 seats, got a driver's side armrest as well, Bluetooth radio multimedia there, 6-speed gear shift, and down here is a display for the temperature in the back. Now if we move round, I can show you the back compartment. So this is the back here, very spacious. Also got your rear step there, and on your rear step you've got your parking sensors as well. Now if we move round, on the side here is your other compartment. Very spacious in here as well. And lastly, I'll show you in the passenger side. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Let's take a look. Let's take it on a test drive. So we're now on the inside of this 2017 Fiat Ducato fridge van. So we're going to take it on a quick test drive, so let's start her up. As you can see, starts first time, no issues or any weird sounds. Let's go. As I said in the walk around, this is a 6-speed van. Has no issues getting up to speed. Nice acceleration, shifts through the gears really well as well. Got a multi-function steering wheel here. We can pick up or eject calls and adjust your volume from the steering wheel. Now as we approach the roundabout, I'm going to do a quick brake test. Brakes are nice and responsive. And as you can see, the steering is good and responsive as well. Now that's going to be it for the 2017 Fiat Ducato long wheelbase fridge van. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys all have a nice day.